Hello guys, today we're going to make addition for task we did yesterday. So if you didn't watch it, please watch it so you will know what's happening with the program. Okay, and we are going to add in this task that program calculates sum of these digits. Okay, so let's say first of all we are going to need two new variables. So let's say first going to be sum, so for sum of these digits and int digit. And let's say first of all we're going to write right here digit is the same number modulo 10. Okay, so we're going to get last digit in this number and we are going to calculate sum. So let's say sum is the same sum plus digit. Okay, and that should be it. And let's go to count in the wait, I should write sum is, and let's see sum and that's it. So let's see if this works. Okay, let's say insert number and let's say I give 4 ones and 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sum is, and why this happened? Let's see why. Because I didn't write right here in this declaration of this variable that sum is the same 0, and program didn't know what is sum on beginning, so he just picked a random number. So he saved the space for this variable and he just picked random number and gave it right here where we started to calculate the sum. So I don't know, sum is the same, I don't know, 1000 plus digit. So I have to write 0, that when we are going to start calculating sum, it's going to be first sum 0. Okay, so let's do another try, and let's say the same for ones, and sum is 4 and this number has 4 digits. Good, and this is it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every day. Thank you.